at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Got my first Walmart Spark shopping delivered done. Take a look.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not bad. Gonna be 31 bucks for this one. See how this check out. Got our Walmart Spark order, shop and deliver. Only took me like 10 minutes to shop for all this shit too. $31 on this order. Let's get it dropped off.
Yes, sir.
Just got my
yes,
next
sir.
order. We got $18.88
Yes,
for 8 miles even. This order is bringing me back to my zone. Only thing is, it's not gonna be ready for pickup for about 10 more minutes. So I'm gonna see if I can holler at one of these employees and see if they can give me this order real quick. We still got the incentive going on WalmartSpark.com order incentive. I have not done any .com orders towards that incentive yet, but if you get 10 done, you get an extra 50 bucks. If you get 15 done, you get an extra 105. So I'm trying to get them, but I ain't been getting none. So we just gonna have to wait and see because it ain't looking too good right now. A text message this morning when I woke up, DoorDash finally reset my acceptance. And if they reset mine, that means they reset everybody's in my area. So what that means for me is I'm not gonna be doing too much dashing, because if everybody acceptance rate is reset, that means everybody gonna be the same. And I'm gonna let them take all the trash for weeks, however long, and then once they done ran their acceptance rates all the way into the ground, then I go out there with my large order program account and I see if I can, cause I wasn't even thinking about it. So now I finally got the chance to take advantage of that and get up to that high percent without putting in all the work. I'm gonna do it, but I'm not doing it right away. This is why you multi-app, because if I only had DoorDash, they would have manipulated the hell out of me right there and got me to go out there thinking I'm gonna get a high pay. But no, if everybody reset, that means everybody the same. That means there's people out here that went for top dashing for no reason, because I'm getting priority on high pay orders already with a 12% acceptance. You know what I'm saying? I got reset, let me go out here and accept some orders. Nope, you're gonna get a lot of trash. I keep that in mind. So I'm gonna wait a nice little while, probably like a week or two if I can hold out that long. Luckily, I got my Walmart Spark, you know, your grocery pickups and the shopping delivers. I did my very first shopping delivery. You got Grubhub, you got Uber Eats. I also got Instacart, Shipped, and Flex. So I can turn on any one of those apps. That's the beauty of multi-app. I don't need DoorDash. So when something like this, I can really take advantage of it and maximize. That's what it's all about. Because trust and believe, the only thing DoorDash is thinking about when they send you an order is, how can I get this order delivered and make the most profit? They don't care about you, your car, your profits. They don't care nothing about none of that. So you need to make sure you're thinking about those same things when you're keeping all these.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Perfect, dude. Order number 2 is dropped off. Now I'm heading to my next order. We got an Uber Eats order, no DoorDash tonight. $11, 2 miles at Chick-fil-A. Let's head on over and get this one picked up. Got that Chick-fil-A picked up, and Grubhub decided to bless me with an add-on. What we got right here? We got $13.78 for 4.8 miles. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
What you say?
Andy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Andy. Burkhardt.
Man, I didn't know what the hell she said. Seemed like we was having some technical difficulties there. So I ended up getting another order on Walmart Spark, $11 for 2 miles. I got it picked up already. I did record the pickup, but for some reason GoPros like to act up when you're trying to, you know, handle business. So we're gonna go ahead and get this drop off recorded. But $11 for 2 miles, and the order was ready when I got there, so can't be mad at that. After this one, we should be at about 85, so I only need about $14 more to hit my goal. Walmart parking lot was packed. There's a lot of people up there shopping for these holiday items. It's a lot of people doing delivery pickups, so just be careful when you up there at Walmart. A lot of people stopping abruptly in the middle of the road. Yeah, I see all them cars over there. Them is all Walmart Spark pickup cars. Damn, they straight packed. Sir, so the time is now 7:45. I started this night at 3:45. More like 4:15, because the order I accepted, I didn't even get started on it until about 4 o'clock. So $98, y'all, in 3.5 hours. That's good miles to, that's good money right there for me, because 3 hours, $100, that's like 33 bucks an hour. So to do it in 3.5, $30 an hour, a little bit less, what, $29 an hour? I'll take that any day of the week. That's my goal. How fast can I get out, make my $100 and get back? I only need $100 a day. Sometimes I go hard. You know, I'll be trying to hit my little challenges, but for the most part, $100 a day, the fastest way. Fastest dasher alive. See you in the next one.